To clone apps, you can use the dual messenger feature by going to settings. Then we can scroll down in order to find advanced features. And then we can scroll down in order to find dual messenger in this place. Over here you will find some apps that are supported. So unfortunately not every app can be found over here, but in general you can tap on switcher next to the app in order to create the duplicated version of the app that contains different data, separated data. Now, if you want to duplicate apps that are not supported in dual messenger settings, then in that case you can use the secure folder, which allows you to pretty much create a duplicated version that are often duplicated version of an app that is also protected by a password. In order to set up the secure folder, you can go to settings, then in settings choose security and privacy, go to more security settings, and over here we have our secure folder. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.